From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing a few snow showers up north of us this morning, but we are expected to dry out for the day today before some rain moves in overnight. So let's take a look at our CATV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are not really seeing any precipitation happening here, just mostly cloudy skies this morning. So if you are getting ready to head out the door, if you do live up north, I would definitely grab that umbrella, as well as a jacket. It is pretty chilly out there, temperatures in the 30s, but definitely not as cold as yesterday. Maybe needing some sunglasses for later on, maybe seeing a few peaks of sunshine. Here is our radar and satellite this morning. The snow that up north did see last night was due to lake effect snow, but if we do look over Lake Ontario here this morning, we are not seeing any more snow bands forming over it. So after this snow does clear through and moves to the west, we will dry out for the day today. Now our temperatures will kind of remain the same throughout the day because it will be mostly cloudy, so we won't get that range in temperatures. But we are ranging in the mid 30s for the day today. Just after sunset, we will drop into the lower 30s, and our temperature will actually rise overnight as a warm front begins to move through. So for today, we are going to be getting some breaks of sunshine, but tomorrow we will be seeing some rain. Will be mostly overcast. That rain will clear out on Friday, getting some more breaks, and a few breaks on Saturday with some light snow showers. So let's look at all of this on our SkyCast. We will see that snow begin to shift north and move out for the day today. It will be a mostly cloudy day with a few peaks of sunshine and a high in the upper 30s. Now overnight tonight, we will see a rain-snow mix to start off, but then for the day tomorrow, as that temperature rises to the upper 40s, we will be seeing some rain in the area. This rain turns to snow Thursday night into Friday, kind of linger around for Friday morning before clearing up. Before today, we have a high in the upper 30s. It will be mostly cloudy, and overnight tonight, we will see some rain move in with a low in the 30s, and then that temperature will rise overnight as that warm front moves through. Now, that rain is expected to clear out Friday morning. It will turn to snow on Friday, then clear out in the morning hours. We'll see some light snow showers on Saturday. We will be dry once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. In an unprecedented move, local paramedics.
We're saying good morning to Marcy and all of the greater Utica region. We are still seeing snow just up north here this morning on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are looking to dry out for the day today, and we will be getting a little bit warmer than we have been experiencing. So our high today is in the upper 30s, but as we get into the overnight hours and tomorrow, a warm front will be moving in overnight, and we will reach a high near the mid 40s. Now going into the weekend, we will have highs right back down into the 30s. This is just due to a warm front moving through, bringing in some rain into the area. So if you are looking to travel, if you are commuting anywhere today, it should be fine. If you do live up north, there are a few lake effect snow showers in the area, so just be careful of that when driving. The afternoon and evening, we will remain mostly dry. And then overnight tonight, we'll be seeing some rain mixed with some snow, turning to all rain for the day tomorrow. I'll have another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Love those 3D graphics over there.
I know, I love using them too.
Hannah, thanks. Officials with
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up with a few snow showers up north this morning, but in the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys, we are remaining mostly cloudy. So let's take a look at our CATV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are not really seeing any precipitation here, just mostly cloudy skies, and we may be seeing a few peaks of sunshine later on. Now, if you are getting ready to head out the door, if you do live up north, it is still snowing up there, so maybe grab the umbrella. Definitely a jacket. It is a bit warmer than it has been in the past couple of days, but temperatures are still in the 30s. Maybe your sunglasses as well, because we are going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine later on today. Now, on our radar and satellite this morning, we do see the snow showers up north are due to lake effect, but there are no more bands forming over Lake Ontario. So once this does move out in the morning hours today, we will be drying out up north and for all of our areas throughout the day, remaining mostly cloudy, but maybe seeing a few peaks of sunshine within those clouds. Now, our temperatures today won't really vary that much. We will remain in the mid to upper 30s for the day. That is a lot warmer than we have been experiencing. And overnight tonight, our temperatures will drop into the lower 30s after sunset, but then start to rise once again as a warm front comes through, bringing in some rain as well. Now, we are going to get some breaks in those clouds today for a little bit of sunshine, but we will remain overcast tomorrow. Friday, after the rain and snow does clear out, we will get some breaks once again, and a few breaks on Saturday with some light snow showers. Now let's look at all of that on our SkyCast. We will see the snow coming to an end this morning, a high today in the upper 30s. Now overnight tonight, we do see that temperature rise to the mid 40s. Now here's some rain snow mix coming in overnight, turning to all rain for the day on Thursday. These are just going to be scattered showers, not really a lot of rain. And this will turn right back to snow overnight Thursday into Friday morning, and then we will dry out Friday afternoon. Before today, we have a high in the upper 30s, a mostly cloudy day ahead, and overnight tonight we will be seeing that rain come in with lows in the 30s, and then we'll start to rise once again. Now here's your 7-day forecast showing that after the rain clears out tomorrow, we will be seeing some lingering snow showers Friday morning, but then drying out. It will be breezy for both of these days. Some light snow does return on Saturday. We are dry once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The fifth.
Welcome back. If you are heading outside today for anything, here is your sidewalk forecast in the morning hours, especially up north. Maybe seeing some snow out there on the sidewalk, but it will remain mostly dry for the day today after we dry out this morning. We will be seeing some rain moving in overnight and for the day tomorrow, so those sidewalks are going to be wet tomorrow. Now here's what we're looking at for the rainfall. Not a lot of rain, but still it is a change in the weather pattern. We have been seeing mainly snow the past couple of weeks, so we are going to be seeing rain overnight tonight, and this will end early Friday morning, looking at just about a ½ inch, maybe even under ½ inch of rain. But here's the weather changing for December. So December 1st is today. Our average high is 39 and our average low is 26. By December 31st, our average high will be 30 degrees and our average low will be 16 degrees, and we will lose about 9 minutes of daylight. I'll have a look at your commute forecast coming right up after this. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The tradition of lighting the Rockefeller.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing a few lingering snow showers up north here this morning, but here in Utica, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies and temperatures in the 30s. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. Again, we are seeing mostly cloudy skies, but up north, they are seeing just a few lingering snow showers. They did get a bigger snowfall overnight. About 3 inches of snow did fall for them overnight. So if you are just getting ready to head out the door, if you do live up north, I would definitely grab that umbrella. They are still seeing a few showers up there, as well as your jacket. Will not be as cold as it has been the past couple of days, but temperatures will still be ranging in the 30s. We will be seeing some peaks of sunshine later on after the rain and the snow does clear out this morning, so maybe some sunglasses. Here is your radar and satellite for this morning. Again, just a few lingering showers up north from a lake effect snow band that did come in last night. But if we do look over Lake Ontario, we are not seeing any more bands forming over that lake, so we should not be seeing any more new snow bands coming in here this morning. After this does clear out, we will be mostly dry for the day today. Now, our temperatures aren't really going to range that much today because we will be mostly cloudy, but we are going to be in the upper 30s for the high. Just after sunset, we will drop back down to the lower 30s as that sun sets, and we will continue to rise overnight as a warm front comes in, bringing in some rain. So we are going to see some breaks today, not tomorrow, because we will be seeing some rain throughout the day. And on Friday, that rain will clear out in the morning, so more breaks of sunshine will be seen throughout the day. And on Saturday, we will be seeing light snow showers, but maybe a few breaks here and there. So let's look at all those on our Skycast. That snow will clear out this morning, a few peaks of sunshine later on today. And overnight tonight, our temperature will rise as this warm front moves through, bringing in a rain-snow mix overnight, but then turning to mostly rain throughout the day tomorrow, a high near 50. Now into the overnight hours, into Friday, that rain will turn right back to snow as the temperature drops back down into the lower 30s. Before today, we have a high in the upper 30s. It will be mostly cloudy. We will see that rain moving in overnight with that rising temperature. That rain does look to turn into snow Friday morning and then clear out for the day on Friday, and some light snow showers return for Saturday. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. In an unprecedented move,
We're saying good morning to Marcy and all of the greater Utica region. Welcome back, everybody. We are seeing some snow showers up north still this morning, a few rain showers just north of Utica. We will be clearing out today for a dry day ahead. And it will be a little bit warmer than the past couple of days that we have seen. Our high today will be in the upper 30s. And as we move into tomorrow, a warm front is moving through overnight into tomorrow. So we'll see a high in the mid 40s, maybe even close to 50. We will drop right back down for the weekend back into the 30s. Now, if you are getting ready to travel or commute any time today, it should be fine for that. Just this morning, if you do live up north, they are still seeing some snow showers, and they did get about a little over 3 inches last night, so just be careful of that on the roadways. We will be dry for the afternoon and for the evening before some rain and snow mix moves in overnight, and it will turn to mostly rain for the day tomorrow. I'll have another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Officials with the state DOT.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are still seeing a few light snow showers up north this morning due to they saw some lake effect snow last night. But here in Utica and in the southern valleys, we are remaining dry and mostly cloudy. So let's take a look at our Cavie Tower camera. We are mostly cloudy here this morning, not really seeing any precipitation here in our area. But again, there are still some snow showers lingering up north. So if you are getting ready to head out the door and you do live up north, definitely bring that umbrella just in case, as well as a jacket. Temperatures are in the 30s this morning, so it is a little bit warmer than what we have been used to, but it's still quite cold out there. And maybe even some sunglasses for later on. We are going to be drying out, maybe seeing a few peaks of sunshine. Now, on our radar and satellite this morning, we are still seeing just a few light snow showers up north of Utica and in the North Country. But if we do look over Lake Ontario, we are seeing no new lake effect snow shower bands forming. So after this does move through, we will be dried out for the day. Now, we are getting some Skywatcher reports this morning, and all of them are ranging in the 30s. We have a lower 30s up in the North Country, in the mid to upper 30s here in the Mohawk Valley. And down in the southern valleys, we are ranging in the lower 30s once again. So it is a bit warmer than what we have been used to. I know the past couple of nights, some of our temperatures have been getting down into the teens. Now, our next break for sunshine looks to be today after we dry out, maybe seeing some sunshine here and there. We will be seeing rain tomorrow, and it will be overcast. But as we get into Friday, that rain will clear out in the morning hours, bringing in some sunshine later on. We will be seeing light snow showers on Saturday with maybe a few breaks of sunshine here and there. So let's look at everything on our Skycast. That snow will be ending later on this morning with a high today in the upper 30s. We will be seeing some rain-snow mix move in overnight tonight due to a warm front moving through. Now, our temperature will rise to the mid, even upper 40s overnight and throughout the day tomorrow, changing to all rain for the day tomorrow. And then overnight Thursday into Friday, that rain will be turning to snow and lingering Friday morning. Before today, we have a high in the upper 30s. It is going to be mostly cloudy, and overnight tonight, we will see that rain start to come in with a low in the lower 30s, rising to the upper 30s by the early morning. Now, on our 7-day forecast, that rain will turn into snow by Friday morning, but then clear out for the day on Friday, and we will be seeing some light snow showers come into the area on Saturday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The 15-1.
Welcome back. If you are heading outside at all today, here is your sidewalk forecast for today and for tomorrow. If you do live up north, definitely some snowy roadways and sidewalk this morning. But if you do live further down into the Mohawk Valley and to the south, it will remain dry for the day today, those sidewalks. As we get into the overnight hours into tomorrow, we'll be seeing a rain move into the area, so it is going to be quite wet out there tomorrow. We are not looking at a lot of rain rain, but this is a change in the weather pattern. The precipitation that we have been seeing these past couple of weeks have been mainly snowfall events. We are going to be seeing some rain overnight tonight into tomorrow, and it will turn into snow overnight tomorrow into Friday morning. We're only looking about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, so nothing big here. Here's the changing weather pattern for December. So today is December 1st. Our average high is 39 degrees and the average low is 26 degrees. By the end of December, the average high will drop about 10 degrees to 30 degrees and the average low 10 degrees as well to 16 degrees. We will also lose about 9 minutes of daylight. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The tradition of lighting the...
Welcome back. We did see some lake effect snow showers overnight last night, definitely in the North Country, but that snow is going to shift north this morning. It already has, and it is going to come to an end soon. A few peaks of sunshine is expected later on, but it will be mostly cloudy day today, and we'll be warming up. Our high today is in the upper 30s and tomorrow in the mid 40s. So if you are grabbing your cup of coffee this morning, I would only be grabbing the medium. Temperatures are in the 30s right now, and it is mostly cloudy. We'll be rising to the upper 30s for the high today. So for today, a high of 37. It is going to be mostly cloudy with a few peaks of sunshine here and there. And overnight tonight, we have a low of 31 in the beginning of the night, and the temperature will increase throughout the night as a warm front moves through, bringing in some rain into the area. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We've learned more overnight about...
We're slowly seeing those lake effect snow showers up north coming to an end, and we will remain dry and warmer for the day today. So let's look at our temperatures right now. We are ranging in the mid to upper 30s. The lower 30s for the southern valleys, but still this is pretty warm in comparison for the last couple of days. Now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are just seeing a few light snow showers up north and a few moving through the Mohawk Valley right now. But after this does move through, we will remain dry for the day today. So if you are getting ready to head out the door for your commute, there is some light snow showers still up north, and they got about 3 to 3.5 inches of snow last night. So the roads may still be a little iffy. By the afternoon, we will be dry and warmer. So for today, a high in the upper 30s. The peaks of sunshine is possible later on. And I'll be tracking this out in your full forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. In an unprecedented move, local
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up with a few light snow showers up north this morning, otherwise mostly cloudy conditions. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We are seeing a mostly cloudy and overcast sky overlooking the city of Utica with warmer temperatures in the mid 30s. Now on our radar and satellite, we do see a few light snow showers still lingering up north from a lake effect snow band that occurred last night. But after this moves out, we will remain mostly dry for the day today. Now, some Skywatch reports did come in this morning. We are ranging in the 30s, so it is pretty warm out there in comparison to the 20s and the teens that we have been seeing the past couple of mornings. Now, we are going to be seeing a few breaks in the clouds for some sunshine today and Friday. We will be seeing some rain tomorrow, so we'll be overcast. And Saturday, a few light snow showers, but a few breaks are possible. Now, we do see the lake effect snow is coming to an end, and we will see temperatures rise to the upper 30s for the high today. Now, overnight tonight, our temperatures will rise back up into the 40s, turning into a rain-snow mix overnight, then turning to all rain for the day tomorrow with a high in the mid 40s. This will turn into snow overnight into Friday morning. Before today, we have a high in the upper 30s. It is mostly cloudy today, and overnight tonight, we will see some rain moving in with those lows climbing up to the 40s. Now, we will be seeing rain tomorrow, turning to snow that will linger Friday morning. We will dry out for the rest of the day on Friday.
attention to the weather. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, not too bad out there today, some clouds, but at least it's not snowing or raining yet.
Yes, so it was snowing and raining a little bit here this morning, but we are now kind of cleared up. We'll be drying out for the day today. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We see no activity in our area. Those snow showers up north have begun to weaken, and we are not going to be seeing any type of precipitation at all for the rest of the day. Now let's take a look at our Mesonet cameras across the region. We are seeing just a little bit of snow accumulation in areas like Old Forge, Woodgate, Coldbrook, but places like Westmoreland, Sherburne, Camden, they are not really seeing any snow on the ground anymore. Now, it is a little bit windy out there. We are recording a wind speed at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome at about 10 miles per hour right now. So just be careful of that if you are going outside. But it will remain dry for the rest of the day today. Temperatures are going to be in the 30s, but I am tracking some rain to move in overnight tonight. And I'll be tracking that coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A Utica man is arrested after authorities say he called 911.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. That rain and that snow that we kind of saw this morning has now since started to clear up, and we are mostly cloudy right now. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We are seeing a mostly cloudy and overcast sky, but seeing a few peaks of sunshine here and there. Now for today, that snow and some of that rain and sleet that we did see this morning is ending. We will be seeing a few peaks of sunshine. We are drying out today and warming up with temperatures in the upper 30s today and temperatures reaching the mid 40s for tomorrow. Now on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we're seeing not really any activity, just a few snow flurries here and there, but we are mainly dried out for the day today. Now on our radar and satellite, we do see a little extra cloud cover coming from a low pressure system that is just to the west of us. But again, we will be dry today. That rain does not move in until overnight tonight. Now our temperatures are going to be getting a little warmer tomorrow. As you just saw, our high was going to be 45 tomorrow. So if you did want to put up the Christmas lights, it is December 1st. It will be a good day today to do that before that rain does come in tomorrow and for Friday morning. We are ranging in the mid to upper 30s today. It is mostly cloudy, but it has since started to dry out. So maybe a good day today to do that, or even this coming weekend if you wanted to wait until the weekend. Now let's look at that rain on our Skycast. So right now we are mostly dry for the day today, seeing a few peaks of sunshine later on. But as we get into the overnight hours tonight, a warm front does start to move through. Now at first it is going to bring in a snow mix, but as our temperatures get warmer, we will see rising temperatures tonight, reaching a high in the mid 40s. We will be seeing rain throughout the day tomorrow because of this low pressure system. Now once that rain clears out, we'll be seeing a little bit of snow going into the overnight hours into Friday morning. Then that snow kind of lingers around a little bit Friday morning, and then we'll clear out for sunshine the rest of the day on Friday. Before today, we have a high in the upper 30s. It is mostly cloudy out there, seeing a few peaks of sunshine here and there. But overnight tonight, we will be seeing some rain showers start to move into the area, mixed with snow overnight, turning to all rain tomorrow, and a low in the 30s. Again, that low will be rising to the 40s overnight, and we will reach a high in the mid 40s for the day tomorrow. That rain will turn to snow for Friday morning. It will linger a little bit, and we will see quite a wind tomorrow and Friday. Now, we are clearing out for Friday, but we do have some light lake effect snow showers returning on Saturday, but drying out once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The group of fire in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We did see some light snow showers as well as some light rain in the Mohawk Valley this morning, but we have since started to clear up and dry out for the day today. So let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, showing no activity in our area right now, and it will remain mostly dry today. Now on our Mesonet cameras across the region, we are seeing a little snow accumulation from last night and this morning, especially in areas like Old Forge, Woodgate, Coldbrook, but other areas like Westmoreland, Herkimer, Sherburne, Morrisville, they're not really seeing any more accumulation on the ground since they did see a little bit of rain this morning. Now we are getting some wind speed reports. This is at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome. They're seeing it at around 10 miles per hour right now, so it is quite breezy out there this afternoon, so just keep that in mind if you are heading outside. But for the rest of the day, maybe seeing a few peaks of sunshine here and there. Our high temperature is in the upper 30s, and I will be tracking some rain moving in overnight coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A U.S.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We did see some light snow showers and some light rain showers here this morning. We have since dried up and cleared out. So let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera. We are seeing some peaks of sunshine through those clouds here this afternoon. And we will be seeing that snow ending here this afternoon. We did see some snow showers up in the North Country. That has since ended. Seeing peaks of sunshine later on, and we are drying out and warming up to high temperatures in the upper 30s. Now, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we're seeing no activity at all precipitation-wise, and it will remain dry mostly for the day today. That rain does not move in until the overnight hours. Now, on our radar and satellite, we are just seeing a little extra cloud cover from the system just to the west of us that will be bringing in the warm front later on tonight that will rise that temperature to the mid-40s for the high tomorrow, but will bring in some rain with it. Now, our temperature right now at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is at 38 degrees. We are seeing mostly cloudy conditions, but some of our areas are seeing a few peaks of sunshine. So it is December 1st. It is time to kind of get the Christmas lights out. You might want to do that today or even this weekend or coming up, but today will be a good day to do it. It is mostly dry right now, cloudy with a west wind coming at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And temperatures in the upper 30s, so it is warmer than what we have been experiencing the past couple of days. Now let's look at that rain coming in on our skycast. We are seeing a few peaks of sunshine right now under mostly cloudy conditions, and we will see mostly cloudy conditions return for the overnight hours. Now we will see some snow start to move in overnight or even like a rain mix because that temperature is still going to be around freezing, but our temperatures will rise overnight, and tomorrow we will have a high in the mid-40s with that rain coming in because of that warm front. Overnight into Friday, that rain will once again turn into snow as that temperature drops to the freezing levels, and that snow will linger in the morning hours on Friday before clearing out for the day. Now for today, we have a high in the upper 30s, mostly cloudy conditions with a few peaks of sunshine out there. And overnight tonight, we will be seeing that rain and that snow kind of start to move in with the low in the 30s just after sunset. And that low will rise into the 40s in the overnight hours tonight as that warm front does move through. So we'll be raining for most of the day tomorrow, quite breezy as well. That rain will turn into snow for Friday morning, and that wind will remain on Friday. We will be clearing out for the day on Friday before some light lake effect snow showers return on Saturday, and then we are clearing out once again on Sunday. Back to you, Gary.
That 19 degrees there. Oof.
When it's in the teens and waking up in the morning, it's just so hard.
That's for sure. Hannah, thanks. Some health news now.
Yes, we'll get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening. Talking about some warmer weather ahead. Temperatures in the 40s here as we head into tomorrow. Talking about rain for the next weather maker. Kind of unusual now that we've turned into December, the beginning of meteorological winter. That is the 3 coldest months of the year. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking pretty quiet. Current temperature is 35 degrees. We saw a couple of breaks of sunshine this afternoon, and that was about all we could muster. As we look at our weather headlines, clouds return tonight along with some light rain and snow showers. It's mild tomorrow. It's windy and it's cloudy and it's damp, but temperatures will climb well above freezing, and there will be plenty of snow melt in areas that still have it. We're looking at breezy weather ahead as well. We're going to track the winds coming up. This evening, temperatures will be in the low 30s under cloudy skies. Again, pretty quiet weather for now. We are tracking some rain as we head into tomorrow. I'll look at that forecast coming up. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Farmers from Erie County.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking pretty quiet weather here for the short term, but as we head into tomorrow, we're expecting the next area of low pressure to bring big changes in our weather. This is a live look at our CAVV Tower Cam as we overlook the city of Utica. It was a generally cloudy day today. Saw some breaks in the overcast here late. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. The next round of precipitation will be approaching from the west. That arrives tonight, a mix of rain and snow. We're not expecting much snow accumulation over the next couple of days. Temperatures are going to be above freezing for the most part during the day and below freezing at night. Local temperatures, Dolgeville 31, Little Falls 32, Rome 35. Across Southern Valleys, Sherburne 36, Skinebus 34, and Hamilton with 34 degrees. Taking the dog out for a walk. Sidewalks are looking dry this evening. Temperatures will be in the low 30s. Tonight's featured dog is Maggie. And if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. So again, temperatures trend above freezing just about every day, and 2 of the days of the next 5 look to climb into the 40s. That would be tomorrow as well as Monday, and both days bring rain to central New York. The radar satellite image shows a warm front approaching the area, and it is raining to the west, but as this moves into colder air, part of this turns over to some snow, and this is generally going to be found in higher elevations as we head into tonight. Here's a look at our Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Again, a mix of some rain and snow. It is possible, given this is a warm front, that we could see a light icing of sleet and freezing rain. Given the temperature setup, that should be very limited, and that would be mainly in pockets east of Utica. So not a big deal, but something to be aware of if you're going to be heading out late tonight after midnight or so. As we head into tomorrow morning, temperatures warm up, so this is not going to be an issue for the morning commute. Check it out, 8 a.m., we're in the mid-40s, so we have a huge margin above freezing here. And we're looking at widespread rain throughout tomorrow afternoon, mild with temperatures in the upper 40s. Rain turns back over to snow showers tomorrow night. Little accumulation is expected, and some chillier weather settles in for Friday. Rainfall amounts as we head into tonight and tomorrow. Generally less than ½ an inch of rain across the entire area, but again, it is widespread. Talking about some rain and snow showers tonight. Overnight lows in the low 30s. Tomorrow, rain and breezy. Temperatures in the mid-40s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Breezy conditions continue into Friday with some snow showers in the morning, a high of 34. 37 Saturday, just a few light snow showers and flurries. Dry Sunday, an active stretch of weather next week with rain and snow Monday, snow showers Tuesday, more rain and snow on Wednesday.
It's going to be cold Friday.
It is, yeah.
All right, Bill, thank you.
All right, thanks, Bill. Let's take a live look now at Rockefeller Center, the world-famous
Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
All right, looking back at the month of November, something interesting has happened. This is the only month of the year that's been below average statistically. We've had 7 months so far that have been above average statistically. Here's a look at the numbers, and you see a lot of gray there, so we're not very far away from average, but we've had twice as many below average days compared to above average days across the board. You can see the last week we've been getting back into that cold trend here. As we move forward, the weather turns windy, and that's going to be the big story for the first week of December. 3 days ahead look quite windy. Not looking at very significant wind, but enough to be an inconvenience for sure as wind gusts go over 25 to 30 miles an hour. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Pretty quiet for now, but we are tracking a return to rain and a little bit of snow as we head into tonight as well as late tomorrow. Look at that forecast coming up. Back over to you.
Happening today, voters decide.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're tracking some pretty quiet weather tonight. The next weather maker is going to bring rain to central New York, even in Old Forge, where there's some snow on the ground. It's been a relatively snowy week, but even here, we're expecting some of that snow to melt. Temperatures will climb into the 40s heading into tomorrow afternoon, and there's also going to be a wind to go along with that. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of what we're seeing out there is extremely light. The radar is in sensitive mode this evening, so this is going to not produce any precipitation, but we will see some light snow heading into tonight, turning over to rain tomorrow. So tonight, if you're heading out, the sidewalks are dry, not worried about any black ice issues, but tomorrow, the sidewalks will look wet. Again, with temperatures climbing above freezing, any icy spots will be very limited, and I'm not really expecting any issues with that. Middleville, 33 degrees. Alder Creek, 30. Old Forge. Bill checks in with 29. Marjorie and Boonville, 31. Bob and Clinton, 34. Across Southern Valley, Secoit, MJ, 31 degrees. Richfield, 32. Mohawk, Jeff with 34. And Carroll and Worcester checks in with 33 degrees. Low pressure approaches from the west. There's a warm front that arrives tonight. That's where we see some very light precipitation, taking the form of rain at the moment. But as this heads into slightly colder air, it will switch over to some light snow showers across higher elevations. Tonight, again, a brief round of snow overnight. We're not expecting much accumulation here, but if you're going to be heading out after midnight, there could be a few slick spots out there. As temperatures climb above freezing, any slick spots will come to an end by the morning commute, 7 to 8 o'clock in the morning. Check it out. Temperatures in the mid-40s. It will be a blustery afternoon with cloudy skies and temperatures in the upper 40s. Some light rain showers will be taking place throughout the day. A burst of some steadier rain in the evening as a cold front swings through. It continues to stay windy tomorrow night with some scattered snow showers. The snow over the next couple of days looks to be very light, not much of an accumulation across most areas. And we will see some sunshine again as we head into late Friday afternoon. Rainfall amounts, thinking about a general half an inch, quarter to a half an inch region wide. Again, this is taking us through tomorrow evening. Mix of rain and snow showers tonight, low of 32. Tomorrow, cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and mild temperatures in the mid-40s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Snow showers early Friday, 34 for the high, a breezy afternoon. The weather relatively quiet over the weekend. Just a few light snow showers and flurries Saturday, 37. Cloudy skies Sunday, 38. A mix of rain and snow Monday, starting out as rain, switching over to snow. We're up to 46, though. On Tuesday, some light snow showers, another rain-snow mix looking ahead to Wednesday. We'll be right back.
Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
All right, tracking pretty quiet weather today. We're expecting the weather to change tomorrow. Some rain and some wind on the way, along with warmer temperatures, of course. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things looking somewhat active to our west. This precipitation is very light. We don't expect any rain or snow showers to arrive until after midnight. Current temperature is 35 degrees with mostly cloudy skies in the area. Our weather headlines, again, rain and snow returns overnight. This switches over to all rain as milder temperatures arrive on Thursday. The winds kick up and it's going to be breezy over the next couple of days. A switch back over to some snow showers tomorrow night with some cooler weather heading into Friday. This evening, cloudy skies, temperatures in the low 30s. We're tracking the wind and we're also looking at how much rain falls as we head into tomorrow. Look at that forecast coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Voters must decide today whether to...
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking some milder weather that will be returning to central New York tonight and tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the 40s as we head into the afternoon. A live look outside, our Cavity Tower cam showing the city lights of Utica shining brightly this evening. We're looking at dry weather. We do have some activity to track to the west on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of this doesn't arrive locally until later tonight. So if you're heading out this evening, the sidewalks should be generally dry and then wet as we head into tomorrow with temperatures climbing into the 40s. Alder Creek 30 degrees, Middleville 33, Paynes Hollow 32, Curtis Corners 28, Mike and New Hartford with 34. Across the southern valleys, Lyman and Eaton, that's in Madison County, 33 degrees. West Lawrence, Diane 35. Christopher in Edmonston checks in with 33. Wind gusts over the next couple of days will range between about 20 to 30 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, as well as tomorrow night. Breezy conditions Friday afternoon, as well as Saturday, and then more wind as we head into Sunday. A more active weather pattern will be setting up across the Northeast as we head into early next week. We're tracking a weak area of low pressure to the west. This is carrying with it a warm front. This is the precipitation we're seeing to the west. That arrives tonight, and it will bring a mix between some rain and snow. These scenarios sometimes do produce some light sleet and freezing rain, but if there's any of it that happens, it would be between about midnight to 3 o'clock in the morning, and then temperatures will climb above freezing. So the bottom line is, not too concerned about any traveling issues with that. Check out temperatures at 8 o'clock in the morning in the 40s, the mid-40s at that. A breezy day with rounds of rain developing in the afternoon and evening. Here comes a cold front in the afternoon that produces a burst of wind and some locally heavy rain. The winds will continue into tomorrow night. Temperatures drop, and you can see some lake effect snow showers heading into tomorrow night. Little snow accumulation is expected not only tonight but also tomorrow night. We'll get a chance to see some sunshine late Friday. Rainfall is expected to accumulate and be widespread, thinking a general quarter to half an inch of rain across the area, taking us through tomorrow evening. Rain and snow showers tonight, low of 32. Tomorrow, rain, breezy conditions, temperatures in the mid-40s. Your Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Snow showers early Friday, giving way to some breaks of sunshine, 34. Another breezy afternoon. Light snow showers Saturday, 37. Sunday, cloudy skies, 38. It looks like the next weather system Monday goes well to the west, bringing temperatures into the 40s. Rain, that eventually ends as some snow Monday night and into Tuesday.
Bill, thank you.
Thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2. First look at the forecast. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
We are tracking the next weather system approaching our area that will bring warm temperatures, or at least above freezing temperatures, and rain along with windy conditions. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This evening, the weather looks pretty quiet. We will be tracking some late rain and snow showers overnight, but the big story, the rise in temperature. We're sitting at 33 degrees. The temperatures are right around freezing, but because we warm up throughout the course of tonight, I think tomorrow morning's sidewalks will be wet and not icy in the area. So at least some good news for the walkers as the kids head off to school. And it will stay wet heading into tomorrow night as temperatures remain above freezing. Our weather headlines: rain and snow tonight, milder, breezy conditions tomorrow. That doesn't last. We will see a return to more average weather back into the 30s as we head into the weekend. Rain and snow tonight, low of 32. We are tracking rainfall amounts and a look at the temperature trend. That forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. As expected, the U.S. has...
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is the city of Utica from our Cavy Tower Cam. A pretty quiet night so far. We are keeping an eye on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We can see some very light precipitation to the south. This is heading to the north. Some light rain and snow will be arriving tonight, all thanks to a warm front. A push of warmer air is on the way, and that is going to bring temperatures into the 40s as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Some windy weather ahead. Winds gusting to about 25 to 35 miles an hour tomorrow. The strongest winds will be in the morning. Friday, the winds will be around in the afternoon. Breezy conditions Saturday, and then windy weather will be setting up heading into Sunday, especially Sunday night. That could be the windiest night of them all. So we look at the radar and satellite image. To the west we go. It's a low pressure center that's, again, bringing with it some light precipitation, some rain and some snow showers. As the low heads to the north and east, the counterclockwise winds circulating around it bring a southerly wind to our area that's going to help draw temperatures upward, warming up. And then as the system heads to the east, it'll wrap around some colder air. So we're going to see some swings in the temperature as this weather system moves through. Now tonight, this will lead to some rain and snow. Accumulating snow looks to be very limited. I don't think it's going to be too big of a deal. But around 3 o'clock in the morning, if you are traveling across the North Country, some snow is possible, along with a few slippery spots. Temperatures will be in the 30s. By tomorrow morning, check it out. Temperatures will be in the 40s, so it's going to be warm enough where there won't be any slippery spots on roadways. Rain in the forecast as we head into Thursday afternoon. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s. Rain will continue through the evening. You can see a cold front, this band of bright yellow moving across the screen. That's a cold front. Once that moves through, the winds kick up, the temperatures drop, and rain changes over to some light snow as we head into Thursday night and Friday morning. Temperatures Friday, chilly in the 30s, blustery conditions too. Maybe some sunshine returns here late Friday. Rainfall amounts about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, so a steady soaking rainfall, but nothing to be concerned with in terms of flooding. Rain and snow showers tonight, low of 32. A mild day tomorrow, breezy, and periods of rain, especially in the afternoon and evening, a high of 45. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Snow showers early Friday, still windy, 34. Light snow showers Saturday, 37. We're dry and we're cloudy Sunday. Rain changing over to some snow late Monday, 46. Snow showers in the forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be right back.
Bill Curtis, good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking a warm front that will bring some light rain and snow to the region tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. You can see on the bottom of the map here, we are seeing some light snow starting to show up in Otsego and Chenango counties. This will lift to the north, and again, a round of rain and snow takes place overnight. Our current temperature is 34 degrees. Temperatures will continue to rise tonight. So sidewalks heading into tomorrow morning will more likely be wet rather than snowy or icy. So a little bit of good news there for students as they head out to school. Our weather headlines, we're tracking rain and snow overnight. Mild, breezy weather tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the 40s. Some cooler weather to follow as we head into the weekend. Tonight, temperatures will very slowly rise through the 30s with a round of rain and snow. We're tracking rain tomorrow, and I'll let you know how much is expected to fall across our area, and that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. As expected, the U.S. has
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside. This is our Cavity Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. We are looking at pretty quiet weather conditions early this evening and tonight, but things are going to change. We're taking a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This area of precipitation is a mix between rain and snow, and this is going to lift northward as we head into the next several hours, blanketing our area with a mix of rain and snow, generally rain in the lower elevations and snow in the higher elevations. The big story over the next couple of days will be the wind. We're looking at windy conditions tomorrow, wind gusts 25 to 35 miles an hour. We'll see similar conditions on Friday. The winds are breezy Saturday, and then the winds get even stronger on Sunday with the potential of some very strong winds, perhaps 40 to 50 mile an hour wind gusts heading into Sunday night and Monday. It's a little early, but again, we're looking at this information pretty closely. Looking at a larger area of low pressure to begin next week. We'll get through tonight, though. We're watching a warm front approaching from the south. Again, this brings a mix of rain and snow to the area. Accumulations of snowfall generally light, could get an inch or two in some of the higher elevations, though, as this lifts to the north. This is all due to an area of low pressure that will turn the wind direction into the south, and that's going to allow warmer temperatures to arrive. Again, a quick burst of snow overnight, most notably in the higher elevations. Temperatures will rise. In fact, tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., temperatures will be in the low 40s, so a very mild start to the day and a generally cloudy start as well. Rain will be moving in as low pressure approaches, raining at noontime with temperatures in the upper 40s. Rain continues as we head into the afternoon. This stripe of yellow is a cold front that will move through the region that knocks the temperature down. It will bring the wind up, and we will see rain turning over to snow showers heading into tomorrow night. Little of this accumulates through early Friday morning, and we'll start out Friday morning with clouds and just a cold, blustery afternoon with a few breaks of sunshine later in the day. Temperatures in the low 30s. Rainfall amounts, a general quarter to half an inch of rain is expected. Looks to be region-wide. Not enough to cause any flooding issues. Rain, snow tonight, low of 32. Again, accumulations limited to the higher elevations. Rain and breezy tomorrow, high of 45 degrees. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We are tracking some rain turning back over to snow tomorrow night. Again, some light snow showers through early Friday morning, 34. Saturday, cloudy with a few light snow showers, 37. 38 on Sunday. We're looking at rain turning back to snow on Monday with windy conditions here as we head into early next week. Jason.
Bill, thank you. We continue to follow the breaking news.